Is your washer not filling with hot water? Well, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the hot water inlet valve on your washer. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new cold water inlet valve for your washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The washer's water inlet valve controls the flow of water into the appliance. The valve opens and closes to allow the passage of water during the appropriate stages of the washer's cycle. If the water inlet valve fails, the washer may experience water supply issues like not filling with enough water or simply not filling at all. Alternatively, if the water inlet valve has a leak, water may seep into the washer when not in use. A leaky valve can cause the washer to overfill. For this repair, you'll need to remove power and water to the washer. With access to the back of the washer, remove these 3 screws using a 1/4-inch driver. Gently grab the top panel and pull it back as far as it will go. Then, lift the top panel off and set it aside for later. The hot water inlet valve is located here. Depress the electrical connector and disconnect the valve. You may need to use a screwdriver. Then, use a pair of slip joint pliers to depress the hose clamp and remove the hose from the valve. Gently pull and twist the hose off of the inlet valve. You may want to have a towel ready, as water may leak from the end of the hose when disconnecting it. While supporting the valve, use a 1/4-inch driver to remove the screw on the back of the washer. Then, twist the inlet valve till these retainers align with the slots in the back panel and remove the valve. If you need to purchase a new hot water inlet valve, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align these tabs on the hot water inlet valve to the back of the washer. Then, twist it to secure it in place. Next, install the screw holding the water inlet valve to the back of the washer. Then, press the hose onto the inlet valve and use a pair of slip joint pliers to secure the hose clamp in place. Connect the electrical connector to the valve. On the top of the washer, locate these black retainers, then align them to these slots on the bottom of the top panel and set them into place. Next, slide the top panel forward, then reinstall the 3 screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.